Hey guys, I've just signed up for a farm tour, buffet, and ride on an all-terrain vehicle, ATVs behind me. Hopefully the food is going to be good and the ride is going to be fun. Wish my son was here, man.
You have the excuse. Where are you going? Madam, uncle, okay, so I show you the before it tastes very soft. That's what I
The second one is the emperor chicken with the mushroom.
Emperor chicken.
Dory fish with the passion fruit sauce.
Fish with
Passion fruit sauce. And this one is a deep fried calamari with the dragon fruit sauce.
from the farm, right? 4 5.
Limited.
Any vegetable for
Pak choy?
oh,
Just now you go to the lunch, Pak choy, yeah, sure.
brinjal.
Eggplant.
all this from the farm, right?
Yeah.
So all fresh, lah.
So I
The last one is a rice. So enjoy your lunch. Come give me your phone. I take your photo.
Thank you.
okay.
Okay, the red button. Start. You might. Drive off. And guys, it's been an awesome outing for me today. We had an awesome tour of the fruit farm and an animal farm, and then we came back for lunch, which was okay. Some items stood out, some couldn't swim, but overall for the price that we paid, it was acceptable. I went with 2 other friends of mine on an all-terrain vehicle for about half an hour. That was really the highlight of my day, man. So I'll be back for more. So watch out for my next video. Probably coming back here again in July. Alright? Okay, bye then.